So we're gonna be making deep fried Oreos, deep fried Twinkies. We're gonna try to deep fry marshmallows. These Ferrero Rochers, deep fried Snickers.
They're gonna see if we're saying
And Chelsea's gonna try to guess the stuff blindfolded. So I'm about to make this tempura batter. We got the deep fryer ready to go. We're gonna get started on this, right?
Okay, which one are you giving me first?
Bruh.
It better not be hot.
Okay, so you guys know which one this is, right? Alright.
This is giving me anxiety.
Open up, babe. Come on.
What is it? Let me actually eat the big one.
I think it's the Twinkie.
Oh, I won't tell you which one is right until after.
Okay.
Alright, here we go. Next one, okay?
Is this my dinner?
See what had happened at first was.
Ready? What is it?
What is it?
My Oreo.
Okay. We'll see how many of these she got wrong so far and how many she got right. Come on, ready?
You didn't tell me what you were making.
Ultimate prank. I'm
This
just kidding.
is the Snickers.
And this is the last one, guys, and obviously she's not gonna get this one right. Or will she?
Hido, I'm telling you, 6 out of 7.
Let's go, boy. Here we go. Last one.
The Ferrero Rocher.
Dang, dude, you can take your blindfold off. You got them all right.
You only fed me half of them?
You wanted all of them?
Why not? I like the Twinkie the best.
The Twinkie wins? Alright, Twinkie wins, guys. You guys heard it here.